Isa came to India from Iran. He joined a new school. One day, the teacher drew a polar bear on the board and said that polar bear lives in an igloo. At the break time, Isa saw many of kids eating an ice cream. When Isa came back to the classroom, he saw his friend Omar filling ink in his pen. One day, Isa's mother came to the school to pick him. While Isa was walking to the car, there was a small insect flying around him. He was scared and tried to run, but he fell down and hurt his teeth. His mother also was scared that Isa could catch infection and fall ill. She went to a friendly dentist who asked Isa to show his teeth. Isa smiled widely and said, recall, igloo, ice cream, insect.